Good morning, my little weirdos. I hope you're having a great day so far. I am feeling so much better. And I'm headed off to work this morning. I didn't get as much work done this weekend as I really wanted to because of the whole neck and back thing, but I just feel blessed that it's gone. Anyway, if this is the first time you've stopped by, I'm Maggie, and I am a very part-time reseller on the Poshmark app. And I've only been doing it for about 3.5 months, so I just kind of vlog the things that happen to me and the things that seem to work and the things that don't seem to work. So anyway, I hope it helps somebody. If you're back, hello, thank you so much. Anyway, I've just gone to the post office, you guys. I had 5 packages that needed to go out just from selling this weekend. And it made me think of a topic that I wanted to discuss with you guys. Sorry, I can't look at you. I'm driving. But anyway, it made me think of a topic that I wanted to discuss with you.
Turn right on US 67.
So after 3.5 months, I told you guys during my last video, I'm now making about $400 per month selling on Poshmark.
Continue on US 67.
And I don't really know how to say this, but this is different than any other time I've sold things. I mean, it's just so much easier, you guys. I've had my own website that I sold things from because of the boutique. And I started my private practice that I do different kinds of assessments in from scratch, and that took a couple years to build, and the boutique took a few years to build. It was really, really hard work. And I'm not saying that Poshmark is not hard work, because it is, but it is not nearly as hard as it was to start other businesses that I've been involved in. So I just wanted to tell you guys that. I mean, all you have to do is list some things that people might want, some quality items. They don't have to be super duper fancy. I mean, I've sold, I'm just giving examples. Obviously, I'm not on my laptop right now, but I've sold Old Navy. You know, I've posted a couple of Faded Glory tops that are just cute. You know, that's the reason I bought them, is because they were cute, not because they were fancy. And people like them, and people still buy things. And, you know, for me, if I make $10, that makes me happy, because $10 adds up over time. And I think you just post a few things, and then you share, post a few more things when you get a chance, and just keep doing that. I think persistence is key to becoming successful on Poshmark. You just have to not give up. It's very similar to starting any other kind of business, but you don't have to be as persistent for as long as you would have to be if you were starting your own private practice, or you were starting your own brick and mortar building business, or if you were, you know, starting your own website where you were selling used clothes. I think it would take a lot longer to get established if that's what you were up to. So anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful and safe week. It's sunshiny here, which is just very refreshing. And yeah, you guys have a great week, and please subscribe and like this video and comment below if you have anything you'd like for me to talk about. I think the next video might be a what sold in the last week video. So anywho, I will talk to you guys soon, and thank you so much. Bye.